Hi everyone. So it's raining and it's not even that cold, so I'm actually glad. But it's raining. And I'm going to I teach foreign kids on Saturday afternoon for an hour and a half. So that's where I'm heading. It's about a 10-minute walk from where I live, but I'm not even bothered. It's actually pretty great. I hope everything turns out well. These kids are truly a blessing, even though some of them don't even know that much of Italian, so it's hard for me to actually explain them the things that they're doing in school. But besides that, they're pretty well behaved, so I will vlog for a bit when I teach them. Like, I'm gonna teach a girl today. Her name is Nisreen, which is a beautiful name, I think. Kind of unique. She's a cutie, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go do it in a good way. Oh my god, these are my socks. My socks are slipping off my feet. Yay! That's so bad, but never mind. And after that, my mom's boyfriend is gonna pick me up, and then we're gonna go shopping a little around the supermarket. So I'm gonna vlog there too and see whether I can find some good things or not. I'm actually, I don't like when people buy me stuff just because I feel like they're spending their money for something. I don't know. I feel weird when people buy me things, but probably not gonna let him buy me some stuff. Like, not much, at least. And my bag is slipping off. That's good. Okay. Oh my god, it's been 3 minutes. I'm actually a little bit late, but I hope they won't get mad. I don't think they will, but I hope so. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Loving the weather. Hi guys, so I've just finished filming the other video I'm gonna post tomorrow, but I'm sorry if I couldn't vlog that much inside of the stores. I mean, I haven't vlogged, I'm sorry. There was just too many people, it was so crowded, I couldn't even find a good spot to do it, so I'm sorry. And but the next video about tomorrow is gonna be in a haul, so I really hope you will like that video. And yeah, it's basically all I have for you guys today is me walking in the rain. But yeah, I really hope you liked it anyway, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, please spread love to your family, to your boyfriend, to your friends, to your girlfriends, to anyone, because people always appreciate love. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.